Congratulations on buying your Hyper Havoc. Let's get it out of the box and put it together.
You might want to have a friend help you get the bike out of the box, then remove all the packaging. Make sure you have the necessary tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, Allen keys, adjustable wrench, pliers with cable cutting ability, and a bike pump. The tires are directional, so make sure you match the tread so it faces the same direction as your rear tire. Place the axle into the fork dropouts, then set the safety washer and tighten the axle bolts on both sides until they are fully tight. Now remove the 4 handlebar clamp bolts to install the handlebars. Make sure you center the handlebars on the stem and tighten all the bolts in an X pattern until they are fully tight. Now straighten the handlebars so they are in line with the front wheel, and then tighten the stem clamp bolts all the way. Be careful not to strip the bolts. To install the front brake, you'll need to loosen the brake cable, attach the cable housing to the brake caliper, then set the brake cable tension, leaving 1/8 of an inch of space in between the brake pad and the rim on both sides. You might need to readjust the tension to make sure the brakes aren't dragging and are working properly. Next, install the seat post, lining it up straight and making sure you go past the minimum insertion line, then tighten the seat post clamp. Now with a Phillips head screwdriver, tighten the reflectors on the seat post and the handlebars. Now install the pedals with a wrench, making sure to use the corresponding pedal with the crank. The left pedal is reverse threaded, so turn counterclockwise to tighten. Finally, air up the tires and do a final check to make sure the brakes are working and all the bolts are tight.
Now that your bicycle's assembled, make sure to do the warranty at the back of the owner's manual or go to our website at hyperbicycles.com. You'll find the serial number on the bottom bracket of your bicycle. Now be sure to wear a helmet and have fun.